Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Faith Easter eggs using these sticker cutouts. This is a super easy idea and all you need is some hard-boiled eggs, the Faith stickers from me and my big ideas, and your favorite markers. I ordered this sticker book from Amazon and it's one of my favorite sticker books because it has beautiful foiled stickers and a ton of positive thinking, faith, and affirmations that just go perfectly with Easter eggs. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick out some of my favorites. I'm going to stick with kind of like a thankful theme here. So I'm going to use some hearts, a couple of affirmations that I love. Plus I think the pink and black are going to go really great together. And I think this one here is perfect for Easter eggs. And these are looking really great. And now I'm just going to go add some doodles to give them an extra special touch. And you can follow along with me, of course, or you can put on anything you like on here. Totally up to you. And here's some of my finished Easter eggs, and I think they look just lovely. Thanks for watching, and if you do make these eggs, we would love to see your versions. Tag us on our Instagram to share your creations with us. Till next time, have a lovely day.